First of all, let us calculate radians. We know that 0 degrees should be then 0 radian. So we don't have to show any massive calculation. All right. So let's start with our ratios. We know that the sine of 0 degrees is still going to use the formula opposite over hypotenuse. Now, what is the opposite of the triangle? The opposite originally was AB and the hypotenuse was OA originally. Now, but AB will become 0 and OA will remain as OA. So what happens next then? If I take 0 and divide it by any number, what do I get? Guys, what do I get?
0.
0, right. So 0 degrees gives you a sine value of 0. Okay. Let's look at cosine. The cosine of 0 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine of 0, it began, the adjacent side is OB. So it's OB over the hypotenuse, which is OA. But what happens to OB? OB, we say, increases until it becomes the radius. So it increases until it becomes OA. So OA divided by OA is what? Any number divided by itself gives me what?
1.
1. Gives me 1. Okay? Then, of course, I go to tangent. Tangent of 0 is opposite over adjacent. So the tan of 0 is AB, which is the opposite, over OB, which is the adjacent. So tangent of 0, all right, AB becomes 0. So 0 over, and OB becomes OA. So that means that tangent of 0 is what? What is it?
0.
0. Excellent. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Now we have to look at the next ratio, the reciprocals. So the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So cosecant of 0 is 1 over, let me try to fix that, because I don't like how the vinculum isn't cutting the value in half. 1 over the sine of 0 degrees. All right, but the sine of 0 degrees is 0. No, any number divided by 0 is what?
0.
Any number divided by 0 is what?
Error. Or like not possible.
Is what?
Not possible or something like that, sir. Like a
Not
conduit.
possible. We call it
Undefined.
undefined, right? Undefined. But there's no way that I can put the word undefined, so I'm going to be using this symbol, right? The infinity symbol for it. Okay? You with me? So undefined. All right, let's look at the next one. So the opposite or the reciprocal of cosine is called secant. So secant of 0 degrees is 1 over the cosine of 0 degrees. So secant of 0 will be 1 over 1. So what will that be? Guys, what will that be? 1. Right, it's going to be 1. And then the cotangent of 0 degrees is 1 over the tangent of 0 degrees. So the cotangent is 1 over 0. So again, I will get the value as being undefined.
Define.
Yes. Questions with that part